Talk about something useful for a few minutes. Yesterday, after I made a video exposing the electronic disc financial scam, many netizens have gone astray, developing evolutionary techniques that question everything. You clicked on the twisted evolution technique? Don't doubt everything. If you follow this suspicion, everything is a scam. Why? All are scams. Hey, you have to doubt a good person. Then stop using money. Are paper money called banknotes? You go back to the time of a caveman. Bartering is better. Get yourself a stone knife. Trade it for one of your neighbor's rabbits. This is fucking true. Besides, I'm afraid they're all fake. Because of the development of human society, the emergence of finance, the emergence of capital is an important part of it. It is no less than the emergence of totem, the emergence of religion. The text appears the same. How humans were able to get together in large groups and defeat the Neanderthals. Neanderthals were stronger and more powerful. But he can't gather large crowds, that's human beings. The ancestors of modern humans had language and religious abilities. We can be ridiculous. What nonsense are you making up? Why don't you dare to hunt lions if you are not afraid of them? Because we say the lion is the totem of our tribe. Lion God. He is our protector. So we went to PK with the lions by the water source. We are protected by gods. So everyone believed it. I really dare to go. This is an important part of the evolution of civilization. You can't help but believe in all the false things. That's okay. Ideology and culture are imaginary things. So you have to believe this thing. Do you believe it will really exist? The same goes for finance. We can stick together. We can overdraw our expectations to today. Create huge purchasing power. Is economic strength. A crushing blow. This is the reason for backward civilization. Therefore, we must keep pace with the advanced. Don't deny that all electronic discs are fake. Let me elaborate. Zhai Shanying's SEC Cloud Box is fake. Because he has no data to support it at all. He uses a computer and a trader to generate data behind the scenes. This is of course false. Because he sees you buying too much. He goes short. If you buy short, he will go long. You must lose. Because he is your bet. But in fact, the casinos are not fake. Why? Because casinos have rules. SEC cloud boxes like Zhai Shanying are unruly. It is when artificially controlled casinos use the principle of large numbers and random theory to control probability. He just gets to play. Why are casinos not afraid of people winning money but afraid of people not coming? Because the casino strictly abides by probability theory. He only has a slightly better chance of winning against you. Banker 50.5% player plus 49.5%. This is a winning chance. Then everyone plays together. The banker wins. Your 0.5% is enough. Because you only need enough people to come. It's all just a few pieces of silver to bet on probability and mathematics, which will produce his power. The dealer will definitely have the last laugh. But why are Zhai Shanying and others liars? Because they don't follow this rule at all. They just want to be like when they play baccarat. My mother peeked at the cards. Dealer peeks at cards. When I see you, I feel like I am suppressing you. I'll do it the other way around for you. Haha, I won. This is not okay. This is a casino with no rules. He will definitely be yellow. As soon as everyone found out. I can't make any money here. These bastards are liars. What I reveal is, I will not expose these people who follow the principle of large numbers and strictly follow the theory of probability to play their cards. For example, a casino. I think casinos in Macau. Casinos in Las Vegas. Big name casinos will never appear. Don't worry. Because he only lets you bet 50,000 or 100,000 at a time. A huge bet of 50 million. He won't let you gamble 50 million or 100 million at a time. Why? Because when you bet 100 million at a time, 49%. With a probability of 51%, it is really possible for the banker to lose. You took a fucking 100 million. Stranger left. The dealer can no longer play. Therefore, the banker must limit the size of your retail investors. The top 50,000. That doesn't matter. The banker has a net worth of several hundred million. You slowly play with 49 pairs 100 times. The rule of 5 billion comes out. Got it. So the dealer is not afraid of you winning money in the casino. I'm afraid you won't come. Because your chips are very small due to the dealer. The banker is 100 million. A scale of 200 million. You are worth 10,000 or 20,000. The bankers are 100 times less powerful. In this case, just toss the coin multiple times. Toss a coin multiple times. 50% of the coins must land heads. 50% tails up. But if you only win, just throw once or twice. It's really possible that both of them are positive, you know? This is the casino. Be sure to give your big treat garden a chance to appear. Be sure to give your probability theory a chance to manifest itself. Have a chance to manifest. It's only by repeating the probability many times that you have a chance to manifest it. And Jai Zhaniying. Well, that kind of thing is just peeking at the trump card. Then your mother can never win. So this is a scam. Don't go, everyone. After they get enough money, they'll even close the plate and run away. Just like he is now at Huai Yunhe Pass. He ran away. Then the top 5 international businessmen. International crude oil disc. Australian dollar plate. You can rest assured that the Canadian dollar is trading in these international financial markets. It generally does not have any killer effects on retail investors. It's really probability theory. It's the same as Putin Casino and Win Casino. Why did Zhang Weixing liquidate his position? Because Zhang Weixing is doing business with the 5 major international directly rival. Huna 25 times 50 times. 50 times leverage. He went there with 1 billion in cash. Think about it as 5 billion leverage. How much is he? And he has a lot of fans. There are also these people in Hong Kong who commit suicide a lot. The power of these Chinese people. Altogether. Gold surged in 2008 ahead of Georgia War. If they win, the top 5 international businessmen are vomiting blood. It's like you're at the Stanley Ho Casino. There are 10 billion in your fucking platform. Stanley Ho must read the cards. That was a small probability event. And the chance of this happening. Collectively, only a lunatic like Zhang Weixing appears to challenge the world market. Only once would a black swan event like this happen to him. That's why the probability is very small. For ordinary people. You will never meet this in your life. You won't meet. Just your 3 melons and 2 jujubes cost you 100 million. Maybe not even 100 million? Only a few 100,000 of us. You still want the top 5 international businessmen to work for you? You are thinking too much. You really mean what you want. You are too small. It's not your turn. So you don't have to worry about gold investment. Crude oil investment. Foreign exchange investment. Although he is a banker. But his banker's appearance is not that ugly. A large area of finance in the world. The world's biggest financial bet. All finance in the world is a trap. That's true. But it depends on the dealer's winning number and the blackboard drawing. It is important to focus on whether the stuffing looks ugly or not. Is the world's financial system blocked? Isn't it ugly to see his banker eating? A little liar like Jai Zhaniying. If you look too ugly, don't put it on their plates. Do you really want to bet? I really feel like I have a restless heart. I think I am a genius. I can see through the world and what the password is. Bitcoin crypto absolutely. You can definitely bet on Bitcoin. No one can control the game. Bitcoin is definitely not easy to trade. He can only use a lot of computing power. A lot of money to trade. Then it's basically not called trading. Is that really true? So, everyone can invest with confidence. Feel free to analyze. You won't encounter a black swan at that point. At that point, you won't be able to directly release the black swan when the dealer encounters it, okay? So don't let Lao Wang's financial interface point you to another extreme of obsession. No. I just hope that everyone will be wise and pay attention. The key point I want to convey to you today is the dealer's eating habits. You have to play with the mainstream dealers who have the best deals. Then you might actually make money. And you must remember to make money, buy it, and leave it. Don't wander around here. You will lose if you bet for a long time. No one can win the banker. Alright. That's all we have to say seriously today. Remember to like. Pay attention.